Imagine vast green pastures where cattle roam freely, living their best bovine lives. This is where it all begins. The journey of American beef starts with the happy, healthy cattle enjoying the open spaces of the heartland. American beef is renowned for its high quality and diverse cuts, catering to a variety of culinary preferences. The United States is a major player in the global beef industry, with a commitment to producing beef that meets rigorous safety and quality standards. From the vast plains where cattle graze freely to the modern processing facilities utilizing cutting-edge technology, the journey of American beef reflects a blend of traditional ranching practices and innovative production methods. Whether it's a juicy steak or a flavorful burger, American beef has earned its reputation for delivering a delicious and satisfying dining experience. American beef cattle undergo a carefully curated culinary journey from pasture to plate. It begins with the idyllic scene of cattle grazing on lush, nutrient-rich grass in open pastures, allowing them to develop naturally. As they mature, the menu evolves into a grain-finishing phase, featuring a mix of corn, soybeans, and barley. This transition enhances marbling, contributing to the exquisite tenderness and flavor of the meat. To ensure robust muscle development, cattle enjoy protein-rich supplements like soybean meal, adding another layer to their gastronomic experience. A dash of sweetness enters the mix, with some farms incorporating molasses or other sweet treats into the diet, a bovine dessert on the pasture, if you will. Throughout this gourmet journey, access to clean water remains a constant, ensuring the cattle stay hydrated and healthy. Behind this culinary adventure are nutrition experts carefully formulating diets, acting as the cattle's personal chefs, orchestrating a symphony of flavors that culminates in the high-quality, delectable American beef we all savor. From pasture to plate, it's a journey that showcases the perfect balance of nature's bounty and human expertise, making American beef a true culinary delight. Upon arrival at the meat processing factory, the cows are guided through a meticulously designed system that prioritizes their well-being and the efficiency of the processing. The facility places a strong emphasis on humane handling practices. Specially designed chutes and walkways are used to minimize stress for the animals as they move through the facility. When it's time for processing, the cattle move onto the processing line. This is a well-organized system where each step is strategically designed for efficiency and safety. In many modern facilities, cattle are stunned using humane methods to ensure a quick and painless process. This step is crucial for animal welfare and the production of high-quality meat. Next is processing and butchering. After stunning, the processing line transforms the whole carcass into various cuts of meat. Skilled workers and advanced machinery work together to separate the meat into different sections, ensuring minimal waste and maximum utilization. Next, we have quality control. Throughout the process, quality control measures are in place. Experts inspect the meat to guarantee it meets strict standards for safety, hygiene, and overall quality. Next, packaging and distribution play crucial roles in delivering high-quality, safe, and flavorful meat to consumers. American beef processing facilities utilize advanced packaging technologies to ensure the freshness and safety of their products. Vacuum sealing and modified atmosphere packaging help extend the shelf life, preserving the beef's natural flavors and preventing contamination. Packages are labeled with comprehensive information, including details about the cut, weight, nutritional facts, and often the source of the beef. Many American beef producers prioritize transparency, providing consumers with insights into the origin of their meat. Next, cold chain logistics. The cold chain is meticulously maintained during transportation. Beef is shipped in refrigerated trucks, maintaining a controlled temperature environment to preserve freshness and prevent spoilage throughout the distribution process. In summary, the packaging and distribution of American beef are characterized by cutting-edge technologies, transparency, and a commitment to maintaining the highest standards of quality. From the processing facility to your plate, these steps ensure that you receive the best possible beef experience, whether you're cooking at home or enjoying a meal at your favorite restaurant. As we wrap up our journey through the modern American beef processing factory, you'll never look at your steak the same way again. So the next time you sink your teeth into that perfectly cooked steak, remember the journey it took. From the heartland to the high-tech facilities, a journey that combines tradition, innovation, and an unwavering dedication to quality. If you found this journey as fascinating as we did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more savory content, and share the beefy love with your fellow food enthusiasts. Until our next adventure, keep savoring the flavor and enjoying the delicious story behind every bite. This is American Beef, where excellence meets your plate.